Hello business owners. In this video, I will show you how you can grow your business to the next level using WhatsApp. WhatsApp has become one of the most powerful platforms for businesses to grow because everyone, you can see anyone around, they will have a WhatsApp. You can communicate about your business to all your customers through WhatsApp, and in this video, I will show you how easy it is to do that. Yes, it's super easy. You do not need to be a very professional or need to have coding and programming skills in order to create your WhatsApp a business machine for you. Over here, you just need one software, that is Pabbly Chatflow, that is going to change the entire image of your business from losses to a lot of profits. Okay, so over here, first of all, let me show you how this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant is going to work in real time. So this is my WhatsApp AI assistant, and towards this assistant as a customer, I'm going to ask a question and then we'll see how this AI assistant is going to reply. Okay, so let me ask my first question right over here. Can you show me 3 BHK apartment in Bhopal under 80 lakhs? Okay, so this is my first question. As soon as I've asked this question to this bot, I'll wait for the reply right over here. I've received the reply. Here are some 3 BHK apartments in Bhopal under 80 lakhs. Over here you can see these are the apartments that are available. You can see right here. Okay, so this bot has replied to my question. I have another question to ask, so I'll ask another question right over here. What is the process of renting a flat through Urban Nest? Okay, so this is a different type of question that I've asked to this bot. I'll wait for the reply right now. The process of renting a flat through Urban Nest Realty is quite straightforward. Browse listings, schedule a visit, sign the rental agreement, submit security deposit, receive keys and move in. Okay, I've received this reply right over here. So I have another question, that is, do you offer virtual tours? Okay, so that's another question of mine. I'll wait for the response from this AI assistant now. Yes, Urban Nest offers virtual tours where you can explore properties from videos and walkthroughs and detailed property brochures. This allows you to get a good feel of space before scheduling an in-person visit. If you're interested in specific property or need assistance with scheduling or a virtual tour, let me know. I have one last question to ask towards this bot, and we'll see what kind of reply will I receive. Okay, so the last question is, how can I book a property visit? Okay, so this is my last question I'm asking this bot. I'll wait for the reply. It takes few seconds for the reply to come from this assistant, and you can see in front of you I've received the reply. To book a property visit with Urban Nest Realty, follow these steps. Browse available properties, select your property, contact us, receive confirmation. Okay, so I've received the reply, and you can see I've received good replies from this bot. So this is how this amazing AI assistant for our WhatsApp is going to work in real time. Now all your customers' queries can be easily handled by this bot, and even during the night time when you're totally asleep, this bot is going to handle all your queries and turn your leads into your customers. Okay, so now we are going to learn how you can create this amazing AI assistant, that too without need of any coding and programming skills, using what? Pabbly Chatflow. Browse www.pabbly.com/chatflow, and Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Now over here, before we get into the creation of this amazing AI assistant, I want to talk about what Pabbly Community. Now, Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space, you can get help not just from our team members, but also the fellow users. Over here, you can ask questions, share feedbacks, and find amazing automation tips for your business. So go ahead and join our Pabbly Community today itself. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below. And also, right now on Pabbly, we are having a Black Friday sale. This is a sale on our one-time plan. You just need to buy the plan once, and you can create unlimited automations for your business. We have also provided the code on the screen. You can see this is the coupon code that you can use to have a very good instant discount on our one-time plans. Okay, so now we are going to get into the creation of this amazing automation. On the landing page, you will have two options: sign in or sign up for free. If you're a new user, you do not have an account with Pabbly Chatflow, sign up for free from here and get 100 free credits every month to explore more features of Pabbly Chatflow. I'm already a user, so I will sign into my Pabbly Chatflow account. Then you will see the All Pabbly Apps section. As I want to use Pabbly Chatflow, I will click on this Access Now button. You need to get to the end of this video in order to learn the entire process. So do not skip any part because every part in this video is super important. Okay? Now what is Pabbly Chatflow? It is a tool for businesses that can easily and efficiently manage your WhatsApp conversations of your business. Okay? You need to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account. For that you need to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. For that simply click on this Add WhatsApp number and you will find two options to add your number: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. Both the tutorial links of how you can set up your Pabbly Chatflow account is added in the description section. Go ahead and watch them and set up your account. As the account setup will be done, if you want to learn features of Pabbly Chatflow, how it works: inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, assistant, activity log, settings, under which we have multiple options. If you want to learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, we have created amazing videos explaining every single feature one by one, and all the video links are attached in the description section. Go ahead and simply watch all those videos as well. Now over here, to create an amazing AI assistant, you have to just follow few steps right here. For that, simply you have to go towards this AI assistant section right over here. After coming to AI assistant, what you need to do is simply click on this Add AI Assistant option, and firstly you need to name your AI assistant. For the name of my AI assistant, let's suppose I will write over here as Free AI Assistant. Okay, so now this is the name I have given. And how can you also create a free assistant? Because you have received 100 free credits. Through that you can create an amazing assistant just for testing. Okay, so now after that, click on this Add AI Assistant right over here, and as soon as you will add the assistant, it is going to be created inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. After coming to this page of AI assistant, now there are certain sections that we need to complete in order to create the AI assistant, and it's super easy. Any person who doesn't have any knowledge of any technical knowledge can create this AI assistant. It's super easy. Okay, now firstly we need to select the AI instructions. There are certain types that is provided by us, like AI agent, customer support agent. You can select any instruction type according to your requirement. I will select over here AI agent, so I'll select it right here. Okay, as soon as you will select the type, instructions that are roles and responsibilities of this AI assistant is going to appear in front of you like this. If you want to change anything, add in point or eliminate any point from this section instructions right here, you can definitely do that. I do not want that, so I'm going to simply skip this part. Okay, next it is asking AI configuration, under which first is temperature. Temperature is a range between 0 and 1. 0 being very focused replies from the assistant and 1 being creative replies. I want focused as well as creative. That is why I will select the range as 0.5. You can select any range according to your requirement. AI to use, you can use OpenAI only, so I will select OpenAI. AI model, I will select the AI model as GPT-4o mini. You can select any other model. Now you need to provide the API key of your OpenAI account, because using OpenAI account API key, this AI assistant can be created. Okay, and remember one super important point: you need to have a paid account with OpenAI in order to create this AI assistant. Yes, it's very important in order to have an OpenAI paid account for creating this AI assistant, so have a paid account. Okay, to have the API key, simply go towards the hyperlink right over here and you will land towards the API keys page of your OpenAI account. To create a key, click on this Create New Secret Key button, and firstly you have to name the key. For the name of my key, I'll give it as test key right now. You can name anything you want. Project will be default, permissions as all. Create the secret key from here. As the key is created, copy this key, paste over here in the field and click on this Connect button right here. And as soon as you will do that, you will find that this API key has been added successfully. Okay, after saving this, firstly it is asking AI assistant setting next. Header message, footer message. With these messages that will be forwarded towards the customer from this AI assistant, do you want to add a permanent header or a footer to it? You can definitely do that by toggling these buttons on. Okay, stop keywords. So let's suppose you want your customers to have an option. If they want to stop the assistant help, they can just send some keywords that you will add over here in the field. So let's suppose your stop keyword is stop. Enter, press the enter key to save it. So if they'll send this stop word, automatically this AI assistant is going to stop replying. Okay. Next is retry attempt. Retry attempt, if you want that, you can toggle the button on. Okay. Next is fallback message. So let's suppose if the API key is not responding correctly, then this fallback message is going to be forwarded. This key is not working. Okay. After setting up our first part, that is AI instructions, next is super important part. This is knowledge source. Now what is knowledge source? Knowledge source is a knowledge base, a document in which you have explained about your business from top to bottom. Everything. What is your business about? What are the mission, vision, goals, benefits? What services do you provide? Where are the services do you provide? What are the addresses of your services? Over here, if you like, I have taken the example of a real estate agency. So in different cities, what are the properties that are available for rent or for purchasing? There are plots, commercial plots. I have mentioned every smallest detail in that knowledge base of my business. Let me show you the knowledge base that I have created. So this is the knowledge base that I have created for my business. Okay, Urban Nest Realty knowledge base, that's my business name. Business overview, I have given overview what we do, how we do. Benefits, you can see policies, prices, services, city wise I've listed. Property listing, entire property listing has been mentioned over here in this document. With that you will find I've just mentioned every single property listing right over here. Okay, you can see there are a lot of property listings. I have entered FAQs, like what are the normal questions, frequently asked questions asked by the customer. I've given the guide, I've entered information, I've entered additional information as well. Okay, so this is just a dummy knowledge base I have created. You can create even very detailed, another very detailed knowledge base. It's just 23 pages right now, but if your PDF doesn't contain any images, the number of pages can be unlimited. Okay, there is no limit to that. But if you have images in your PDF, 10 is the maximum number of pages you can have in that PDF. Okay, so now I will upload this knowledge base where inside this AI assistant. For that, click on this field over here. This is my knowledge base. I will open it, and as soon as I will open it, under the knowledge sources section you will find the base has been added. Okay, so you can see it says file upload. This is the name of my knowledge base, and if you will see the vector ID, that means the knowledge base has been successfully uploaded inside Pabbly Chatflow's AI assistant. Okay, we have added the knowledge source. That's the completion of our second section. Now third and fourth section, that is assistant interface and styling, is important if you're adding this AI assistant where on your website. You can see nowadays on websites it's very common to have a support bot on the right hand side corner, just like this. So this is the button. If you will click on it, you will see some support help like this. So these two sections are to edit this interface. Interface means if I want to add a brand name. So what's my business name? It's Urban Nest Realty. Okay, so what I can do is I can simply add the brand name right over here. You will see Urban Nest Realty. Okay, if I want to change this line, if I want to add another initial message with that message, or if I want to enable or disable this powered by Pabbly, or add a footer hyperlink like this, I can edit every single thing. You can see adding another initial message. 2 is the maximum limit of initial messages. Enable powered by Pabbly, add a footer text with the link. And let's suppose if this AI assistant has received a query from a customer, but that customer has directly connected this AI assistant to a number instead of from the website. So what is the usual first message that you get from your customer? You have to add it over here in the user's first message section. Okay, interface is done. Styling, so let's suppose you have a brand and you have certain colors that signifies your brand. Okay, so you can change the colors, the theme, shape or background images, anything from this styling section, which I do not want, so I'm simply going to skip the part. We are done. That's how simple it is to create this AI assistant. We don't have to do anything now. We just have to activate this AI assistant and use it for our business. To activate this AI assistant, simply it's very important to toggle this button on and click on the save AI assistant section right over here. And as soon as you will do that, the AI assistant has been saved successfully. You can see right here. Okay, as now this AI assistant has been created successfully inside my Pabbly Chatflow account, we are going to again test this AI assistant by sending a message towards the assistant as a customer's perspective. I'll be a customer and I will ask question towards this AI assistant about my business on my WhatsApp number. So let me open my WhatsApp from here. So this is my WhatsApp and I will ask my first question right here. Any villas available in Delhi around 3.5 or 4 crores? So this is my first question to this AI assistant. I will wait for the reply right now. So this is the reply. Here are some villas available in Delhi. You can see these are the property listings of the villa. Okay. So as I've received the reply, I have another question, that is, can I reschedule my property visit? A different type of question. So I'll wait for the reply now. Yes, you can reschedule your property visit. You can do so in 24 hours before your scheduled appointment. Just contact us via WhatsApp or email with our new preferred date and time, and we'll assist you with the changes. I have another question, that is the price negotiable? Okay, so I will ask this another question that I have. Yes, prices are negotiable if possible for property listed in Urban Nest Realty. The options for negotiable may vary depending on the property type, location, and current market trends. This discussion typically takes place during the property visits. Okay, so I have one last question left, that is, do you help in verifying property legal papers? Okay, so that's the last question I will ask to this bot. I'll wait for the reply right now. Yes, Urban Nest Realty assist in verifying property legal paper. Our team can guide you through the documentation process and ensure that all legal aspects are in order before finalizing any property transaction. Okay, so now this bot has replied to all my queries. So this is how this bot is going to work for you, for your business as well. It is going to resolve all your customer queries, and you do not need to worry anymore about replying to your customers on time. It will be done. Your customers will be happy. Your leads can be easily converted as they will receive help 24/7 from your site. So go ahead and create this amazing and very insane WhatsApp AI assistant today itself, and you just see in the video it was super easy process. Okay, I want to tell you very important steps. The step is you have to automatically assign this AI assistant to your customer or your contact. How you can automatically assign? For that, simply go to settings and inbox settings section right over here. After coming to inbox settings, you have to simply scroll down and you will see the option AI auto reply settings. Toggle this button on right over here and you have to add a new rule. Contact list. I want to assign this AI assistant to all my contacts. If you have created another significant contact list, you can definitely do that as well. But I will assign this AI assistant to all my contacts and simply select the AI assistant from here and click on the save button. And this rule is going to be added. This rule will make sure that as soon as you will receive any of the messages from the contact, any contact in your all contacts list, automatically towards that contact, this AI assistant is going to be auto enabled. Okay, with that, if you want to assign this AI assistant specifically towards a single contact, how you can do that? For that, simply you have to go towards your inbox section, and in the inbox section, these are the contacts. Let me select this contact right over here. This is the contact. You can see the option under the number, choose AI assistant. Simply toggle this button on and assign an AI assistant right over here, and automatically towards the specific contact, an AI assistant will be assigned. Okay, so this is how you create this amazing AI assistant without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chatflow. If you have questions or doubts related to this amazing AI assistant, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we will reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.